This is one of the cheaper Kryptonite chain locks, but I didn't want to buy a more expensive one for because I only really have a cheap urban runabout, and spending $100 on a lock for a bike that's only worth a couple $100 doesn't seem worth it. So this lock is about $50. The good thing about a chain lock is that it's actually long enough to lock to a place like this. If I had a D-lock, I don't think it would fit. One thing about wrapping the chain lock around the frame is that the lock barrel knocks against the frame, making a metal against metal pinging sound, which is really annoying when you're riding. So to overcome that, I used a bit of rubber foam thing and I duct taped it to the frame. It doesn't look the greatest, but it gets the job done. An interesting thing I found out about this lock is that when it is unlocked, you can't actually remove the key. Maybe it's some kind of safety thing. Not a big deal. Overall, it's not the thickest lock, but to lock up a cheap bike for a short period of time, it's probably okay. Area dependent. Bye.